Today, I'm going to show you how to create a movie and TV series website using Lovable.dev, an AI-powered website builder. We'll also integrate the OMDB API to fetch details like posters, plot summaries, cast, IMDb ratings, and more. The first step is creating a prompt for Lovable AI. The idea is to describe exactly what kind of website you want, a site where users can search for movies or TV series, see the poster, view details like cast, plot, ratings, and release year, and have a clean, organized layout. Next, I go to Lovable.dev and paste my prompt into the text box. Then I hit the little up arrow icon at the bottom right, and the AI starts generating the website automatically. This includes creating the home page, search functionality, and cards for each movie or TV series. This process can take some time depending on the complexity of the site, so I sped it up in the video to keep things moving. You'll see the AI gradually building the pages, adding interactive elements, and structuring the data from the OMDB API. Once the AI finishes, I start testing the website. I start by searching for Spider-Man, and several cards instantly appear with posters and titles, confirming the site is working. Next, I search for Iron Man, scroll down, and pick the card for Iron Man 3. The site instantly displays detailed information, including the poster, plot summary, main cast, release year, and IMDb rating. Everything is neatly organized, and the search functionality updates the cards dynamically. The site feels very similar to browsing IMDb, but it's entirely powered by Lovable.dev and the OMDB API. After testing a few movies, I click the Publish button. In the Publish panel, I click the Edit icon next to the website address and change the default subdomain to Cinequest. Then, I press the check mark to save the new subdomain. Finally, I click the blue Publish button at the bottom of the panel. This updates the site URL to cinequest.lovable.app and makes the website live instantly, so anyone can access it with all the AI-generated features fully functional. This means anyone can access the website, and all the AI-generated features are fully functional. Once published, I open the link in a new tab. The website loads with the homepage, search bar exactly as the AI created them. You can try searching multiple movies or series to see the cards update instantly. To demonstrate that it works for TV series as well, I search for Wednesday. A card appears for the series, and when I click it, the site displays all relevant details, plot summary, main cast, genres, awards, IMDb rating, poster image, and the time frame. Since Wednesday is an ongoing series, it shows the years it's running, like 2022, means it continues. This shows the site can handle both movies and TV series effectively. You can further customize the site directly through Lovable.dev's interface. The sidebar lets you chat with the AI, ask for adjustments, or get explanations on what should change. You can tweak elements, experiment with layouts, and explore options. Some features may be limited or require credits unless you upgrade your plan. That's it. Within the OMDB API, you can create a fully functional movie and TV series website in just a few steps. No coding is required, but you still get a professional-looking, live website that works like IMDb. You can search, view details, and explore movies or TV series seamlessly. Thank you for watching.